Hey guys, so today's video is going to be about heat damage. Basically I'm going to be telling you how I'm going to go about caring for heat damaged hair and the products that I'm going to be using for my hair. So the first tip I want to give you guys is to use less heat on your hair. So whatever amount of heat you're using right now, you want to minimize that as much as you can. So if you're straightening your hair once a week, you want to try to straighten it once a month. And that's just bare minimum. If you can do it more than that, then that's great. That's really gonna help, for the most part, bring your curls back to life, really, because they're not being manipulated as much. If you're going to straighten your hair, make sure that you are below 400 degrees. If you're anywhere above 400 degrees or at 400 degrees, you're risking heat damage like by 1,000. Like, don't even go there. It's not that serious to get your hair super duper straight, and if you want it straight and you're not getting it as straight as you want to, then you need to spend some money, sis, and you need to go get your hair done by someone professional who knows how to straighten natural hair without damaging your hair. Use a heat protectant for sure. That is also going to go a long way. Make sure that you are doing protein treatments. The protein treatment that I plan on using is called Aphogee, and you can get it at Sally's and also like at a beauty supply store. You can pretty much probably get it anywhere. It's very, very particularly good for damaged hair, and that's why it's important that you use a protein treatment. And the next thing that I want to share with you guys is to make sure that you are styling your hair with a leave-in conditioner. That's going to keep the moisture in your hair, and it's really going to make a big difference as far as the appearance of your hair too, as well as an oil. You want to pair an oil with that too, whatever oil works best for you. I use olive oil, I like grapeseed oil, and I also like peppermint oil. I recently started using that. And peppermint oil is really going to open up your hair follicles so that any other product you're trying to put in your hair can really like get into your hair and do what it's supposed to do. If you're going to do the peppermint oil, you want to put in the peppermint oil first, and then you want to put in your leave-in conditioner so it can really like seep in. The next thing I want to share with you guys is to make sure that you're deep conditioning your hair weekly. If you cannot do it weekly, just do it as often as you can, because that's definitely going to lower the amount of breakage that your hair is getting. So basically, like when you shower and you comb out your hair and you have like a big ball of hair, when you're deep conditioning, you're really going to see a difference in the amount of shedding that you get. So it's super important that you're deep conditioning your hair. Also, it just, of course, keeps your hair moisturized, keeps it healthy, and puts back in all that moisture and everything that you need. I know I'm saying moisture a lot, but it's super duper 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 important for your hair. When I tell you, it makes such a big difference. It really does. So with that being said, you want to make sure that you are washing your hair, or at least wetting it at least 2 to 3 times out of the week, because that is going to keep your hair from being dry, from breaking off, all that stuff. So I'm going to leave in the description box the leave-in conditioner, the deep conditioner, and the protein treatment that I plan on using. And also, if you don't want to purchase a protein treatment or a deep conditioner, you can look online and do a DIY and use products in your house as a deep conditioner. So there's always a way, sis. Don't make any excuses. And don't be discouraged if your hair is like extremely damaged, because we're going to work through this together, and I'll be updating you if I change any products that I use, if I do anything different, if something else has been working amazingly for me. I will be sharing that with you guys. This is what my channel is for. And thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped anyone who is suffering from heat damage right now. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section. You can also DM me on Twitter, on Instagram. All my information will be in the description box below. And like this video if you enjoyed it, if you learned something, and subscribe to my channel if you are interested in seeing more videos about hair, about makeup, story times, all that. So thank you for watching and have a good day.